comments right into the channel. Gigi wrote in with her R2-D2. She made 3 R2-D2s. Great job, Gigi. That is such a nice drawing. I also had Mabel draw her Pascal in. So each of her Pascals had a little sunshine. That was really sweet. So last week's clue was he's yellow and he makes lightning bolts. So if you guessed Pikachu, you were correct. Today we're drawing Pikachu. This is a little bit of a more advanced version of Pikachu, but for Kinder and TK today we're just going to do Pikachu's face. And then there'll be a surprise like bonus drawing if you want to do Pikachu with a big lightning bolt behind him. That's going to be if you want. But if you just want to do Pikachu, that's totally fine. We're going to start with step 1 and do Pikachu's face in pencil. I'm going to put this paper over so you can kind of see a little bit where I want you to be drawing. So we're just going to make kind of like a soft frown line for his forehead. And then if you see his ears are about that long on each side. So if you want to just make a line and then a line that's like a similar line. So you have Pikachu's one ear. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to draw a line. And then we're going to draw another line. And then we have Pikachu's other ear. So he kind of looks like a rabbit at this stage. Then we're just going to go around, down his chin, the other side of his face. We're going to go around and then meet these 2 lines up on his cheek. We're going to make a great big eye and a reflection mark in the eye. The reflection mark can be anywhere you want. That is artist's choice. If your eyes are not exactly the same, see that one's bigger. I'm not going to erase that because you're still going to know it's Pikachu. So just do your best. I'm going to make a tiny triangle for his mouth. I'm sorry, for his nose. A squiggly line for his mouth. I'm going to make 2 round circles a little bit larger than his eyes if possible for his cheeks. And then I'm going to continue to step 2 and I'm going to erase with my Sharpie.
Three, two. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed drawing Pikachu this week. Next week's clue is they're a character from Toy Story and they're a vegetable. If you have any guesses or want your art to be shared in next week's lesson, you can send it to the email right here. Bye.